In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove admin from Meta Business Suite. If you're managing a Facebook business account, there will be times when you need to remove an admin. Maybe someone has left the company, changed roles, or you just want to tighten up access for security reasons. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can remove an admin safely and confidently. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can get there by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and logging into the Facebook account that manages your business. Make sure you're signed into the profile that actually has admin access to that business. Otherwise, some of the options we're about to use won't appear for you. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, you'll be on your business home dashboard. From here, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the left-hand sidebar. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling down the menu a little until you spot settings. Go ahead and click on that to open the main settings area for your business. Inside settings, you'll see different sections related to your business account. You want the section where people and permissions are managed. There, you'll see a list of users who have access to your business, along with their roles, such as admin, employee, or other permission levels. Now, find the admin you want to remove from your business. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct person, because removing someone will immediately revoke their access to your assets, like your pages, ad accounts, and other tools connected to this business. Once you've found the right admin in the list, look to the right of their name for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is usually referred to as the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the options for that specific person. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Remove from Business Portfolio. This is the action that takes them out of your business completely. Click on Remove from Business Portfolio. Meta may show you a confirmation message, reminding you that this person will lose access to your business assets. Confirm that you want to proceed. After you confirm, the admin will be removed from your business portfolio, and they will no longer have access through Meta Business Suite.